Kaslem jingïarap ya kibaduk na kakot khubor khasi Rupang mentau snem arjar arpsau kelalong kesin kebakat lai ha keba kelayo bansami ke jingïarap syaki longiing longsem kibaduk kibadei na keleng saudong jongkari khasi berjantia ya kani ke jingïarap laju ai da kitiar shet kitusok bet kijan saaj kenang makin yo ban pendon kamlem hayeng asem jongki laju leru ya kani kum ke jing ai sngob ha Christmas bat snem temai hakum kini ke ayom kibadon ba em kiyo ka jingle kemen kerhai bat le sngob halang kadba kibaduk ba plipat kimyo satia bat ki jenjar watang ban pendap ne penbiang ya ka ying kasem jongki ya gani ke jingno senyang laju le da ka jingkerpat na kipajba lengba ka khubor Rupang bat na kapisa ka balayo lum lathet da kitiar bat ai ne sam sikilonging kibaduk kejingdon jukindong yo jingïarap kalong katkum kejingyo lum pisah lada kejingyo lum pisah ke khambun kata kendong yo jingïarap ru ki khambun balada kejingyo lum pisah ke khendiat kata kejingno jingïarap jong Rupang ru ka khamduna brio ban mentau snem kidon riungut kibayo jingïarap lengba kani kejingno senyang jong ka khubor Rupang
Mas kat nong idap dah jeng komen ke bakrau bangin klep boy perkat bau play kat nong ko kerku yang ni bangin yo pun kena kalan te kam tam ni anyu yo play nang bu nang thau ba ula kerku kam tam yang ni ki badok ki basok ma ki sem chiliang kop chiliang ba pilala banyak hai banyak rap lem yang ni ki badok basok kat nong idap dah jeng mo ke bakrau ya pi wa pi la ban ya ai bat ban ya rap su phai yang ni ki badok ki basong te kat no ngadap la jik su komen ka bakrau e ba pi ba ublei na kar khu ya pi kham tam ba pi na yo na ka por pi ya rap yang ni ki lo ying ki badok ki basok na ka wi ka snam ji ko ka snam ban ya long lem ko ma long lem ki ba kot ki badan so ba ha wa nam sngo i ai la da ni don pedeng ki jing duna ni warna na kari na ka jaga ka jengai te ting teng wa dei bai kali ro ni haban pan kaliang henrei philia Allah ban ai ban i bai kali ro kham tam yang ni ki baduk pasuk pangin pai ne jaga ka jing ya lang jong phi te kham tam ai ngo ba kham tam awan mane bun sen ki ong ni ki badok ba phila ki jing ya lang phidei banda kham le spai ma te ngam sen pan kaliang ni para merjan i jan sem ken te pan kaliang ni i ong bat penjaba ma khong te ngam sen ngap ngasam i lamar ba hagino ki kam ni haban le spai em wala dang idong so te wala ka taro ngam seng apa yang ngadap dang jeng keman ke bakrapan namar ba ngai ibon ki longiing ki jeng ki bedong ki kop siliang ki sem siliang kom besem manga te ngam seng lau no iti jan jeng itu ikong namar real ese ijobo te ngatep no ngakliap bahang la bu bhai i masli ai biang sibin te pa ini ko blai sibun ye pi baro
mostly brought referred by the police department, social welfare, or the headman, the parish priest from the church level, no, like that, and the far relations of those grandparents. So when they come, and now usually see we have another problem because we are trying to do good, but sometimes people turn us into enemy. No, when they come first, if we have no one, and we take them, we accept them. After some years, if this is my auntie, she came here. So we have very tough time. Somebody want to file a case for us because we accept that grandmother there. So now I'm very strict. If anybody comes, always they have to go to the police department for our safety sake, no? For our safety. Otherwise, we are trying to do good. That's why. And when they come there, anything, if they are sick, we have to meet the expense, their clothes, their everything, A to Z. Even when they die, many of them even, sorry to say, and even the grave, we sisters, we have to dig the grave. We have manti tliw mangi. ngi habanti katliu ngi habanti de kasinduk na dong shadong lada kidon ki bahaye ngi phone ngi ong lada pin la banirap lada kim don bahaye ngi hable na dong shadong na do baslang hadu bakon. But I'm very happy to love them, to care for them, because kum kim yo ai ka jing e mo ka e ki badon kam tang ka jing e hebre ipen kan mau ngi ka jing e kapan kan laya ka perthai ka jing e kapan kan laya ka perthai ta karau kini ki me e pa e jongi ngam khot e ki temen la dai wan ki bakali ki ong ki temen ngas ngodom phaya ki mo wan nom khot iki temen khot iki da ki me e pe jongi mo ki me e pe jongi ki don kam tang ka wei ka jing e just love them, be with them, listen to them. They will share you everything. After they listen, we listen to them. When they shared, everything is gone. Again, the same problem. They'll come next morning. Si sayang ikwa ban kren but be okay kren. Again, they will share the same thing, but they will not tell to everybody. They will not tell to nobody. If anybody come from out, if they ask from where are you coming, how many children, they will start to cry. So I don't encourage the visitors to ask them question. Rather, give them some entertainment. They will be happy, but not a question. Because what happened, it brings back whatever had happened many years back. Penkan mau biang ki kumno ki le ki bahing ki yam. Takadaw, I told their visitors, come. Talk to them, but do not ask them any question. Nada pikili jingkili kinsa persang ban yam kumtomo. Mentang ki adon life sangut. Sipaungut kisindrang. The rest they can pay. They are happy with us there. This is the blessing of God. No, this is a blessing. So one thing is nakwa banong kamtame ki kiniki kanhon mo ka ka bapile. Let da kajing e ka haban wan nak hakmat jungi ladang imdon kajing e ngimlak ban let kum kini ki kam pithrai lada phimdon kajing e philak ban sam kat kitu ka lai pho hajar tam seneng ban subret sepo kum ban subret sepo mo kan penyo pendon kami ladi lamar kajing e ngi iwai pi wengi dai bandon kata kajing e mo kajing e ladang idon kajing e barak khot kinsa kalalon